Hi, good morning. Welcome to Daily Market Mantra with SMC, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे to help you get an edge in your investment journey. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The market is likely to open on a flat to positive as indicated by GIFT Nifty. US stock market closed mixed as rate cut hopes and mostly upbeat quarterly earnings from corporates stoked bullish bets on stocks. Asian markets are closed due to weekly holiday. Back at home, Indian stock markets is holding a special trading session today, Saturday, May 18th. This session, focused on the equity and equity derivative segments, aims to evaluate the exchange's disaster preparedness in the event of major disruptions. Earlier, a special trading session was held on March 2, 2024. There will be two phases to this special live trading session, which is a demonstration of their comprehensive preparedness. The first session is scheduled to run from 9:15 IST to 10 IST and the second one from 11:30 IST to 12:30 IST. On the earnings front, Anupam Rasayan India, ASK Automotive, Chemcon Specialty Chemicals, Data Patterns India, Gujarat Ambuja Exports, Jyoti CNC Automation, Krishna Diagnostics, Parag Milk Foods, Trident and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank are among the major firms scheduled to announce their March quarter results today. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, bought shares worth net 1616.79 crore and domestic institutional investors bought shares worth net 1556.25 crore on 17th May 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.20% के गेन के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, indicating a positive start. Sensex was up by 0.34% and closed at 73917. Bank Nifty closed at 48115 with a gain of 0.29%. Nifty closed at 22466 with a gain of 0.28%. Nifty Future also closed at 22497 with a gain of 0.23%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was up by 0.34% and Nasdaq Composite was down by 0.07%. Sector specific updates देखें तो auto and metal are the sectors which are likely to outperform and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे FMCG and bank. Let's talk about the macro news now. China's industrial growth accelerated in April, driven by robust exports, but softening growth in retail sales and fixed asset investment reflects an uneven economic recovery, necessitating more efforts from the part of the government to achieve the official growth target. Industrial production registered an annual increase of 6.7% after rising 4.5% in March, the National Bureau of Statistics reported Friday. This was also better than the expected growth of 5.5%. तो ये थे आज के updates from SMC Global. All the sources have been linked in the description box below. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ new updates के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो don't forget to like the video and subscribe to SMC Global's YouTube channel for more such updates. Thank you.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.